So there are 18 shocking features that Tesla owners did not know about their Tesla, and in today's video I'm going to tell you what they are, and I'm starting right now. You want to reduce your speed in autopilot, press the icon on your screen, and as you can see, the car now is gradually slowing down to the new max speed, and this is great because no longer do you have to apply the brakes. Now, this next feature is located in your center console. It is hidden. However, if you wrap around and look on the back side of your center console, you will find two USB-C charging ports, so you can charge your phone and other devices. And this is another great feature to know. Just say if you're hauling something in your car, if you put a car seat there and you get that annoying message that says fasten seat belts, if you press it, it will turn into a car seat. And after you tap it, it will show that, and it will also turn on your rear vents. Now, just say if you're on your map and you want to set a favorite, you don't necessarily have to know the exact address. You can find the location and you can just hold down what you want to save and a menu will come up. You're going to go over and you're going to click on the star there, and you can save the address or you can enter in your custom tag for that location and it will appear in your favorites, and click on add to favorites. Now, we are already told that the front seat, that's your emergency release that's on the door. However, in the back seat, in order to access your emergency release button, it's in the door right here, and you might need like a flathead screwdriver. So in case of an emergency, it's easier to tell your kids to crawl up to the front seat to exit the car. Your driver's seat in your Model 3 and Y has a circle control on the side, and that would be for your lumbar support. Older models on the 3 and Y, they have it also on your passenger seat, but Tesla did discontinue that on your passenger side. Giving your charging wine a triple click will unlock the charge port automatically versus waiting 2 or 3 seconds that it normally takes if you do it one time. In case if your charger ever becomes stuck, there is a manual charger port release. All you have to do is reach there in the triangle, pull the cord, and it will release the charger. Now, this is important. On those sunny days, your sun visor, whenever the sun is hitting through right there, it actually extends out, blocking the sun. So your headlights on your car, you can adjust them by using the stroll wheel. Go to the service menu, then you're gonna go where it says adjust headlights. Give it a minute in order to set up the calibration. And from there, again, you can use your stroll wheel. You can use the left headlight, or you can click over and also adjust your right headlights. Another feature that many people don't know about, and you can see here on my app as well, and this comes in handy, especially if, just say if there's ice over the door or your hands are full, you can actually open the door through the app right here on your screen. You see the second one with the little card with the icon, you press that and the door will pop open. And now I can get right into the car. In order to lock and unlock your car, you're just going to click on the lock icon right there at the top of your screen, and you press it again and the car will also unlock. So right here, 1 ding is for lock and 2 dings is for unlock. Another feature they don't tell you is pulling up the rear vents. Pull up your climate control, click on rear, and at the top you have rear fan, and you're gonna press right there. In order to turn off your rear fan, pretty much you repeat the process and click it until it turns gray. And this may seem like a no-brainer. However, it took me a while to figure out and find out that there is actually a 12-volt charger located inside of your armrest, because typically, who really looks around in the armrest? And also, you can toggle between battery percentage and also range by clicking on the numbers. So I'm going to click on that 75 there, and you can see it's 221 miles to empty. And if you click back on there, you get your percentage. Another thing they don't tell you, whenever you're driving in autopilot, whenever that annoying message come up, you don't have to shimmy the wheel. All you have to do is stroll the stroll wheel up or down once, and it will keep autopilot engaged. If you are currently navigating somewhere and you stroll somewhere else on the screen, you pinch in and you want to get to your navigation, just press on the compass icon up there in the right hand corner and it will take you back to your location. To disengage autopilot, they don't tell you. The only thing you have to do is push your drive stalk up one time and now autopilot is disengaged. And another little known feature would be your voice command features. Watch this. So all you will do is press the right stroll wheel on your steering wheel, open the glove box. I'm going to fast forward real quick while I enter in my security. So after you enter in your security code, the glove box will open right up. And if you don't want a security code, you don't necessarily have to set one. That's just a security feature. And there are 18 other voice commands that you need to know about your Tesla, which you can find right here on your screen. Check out that video, subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.